Good day, Stuart Clark here from the Scale Model Podcast, and I'm here with a new product review. And this one comes to us from Sean's Custom Made Tools. Sean's local to Ontario, and Anthony Goodman from Goodman Models, who makes the super sanding blocks, and Sean have corresponded together and cooperated and all that good stuff to bring you the super stand. This is a stand for the super standing blocks that Goodman Models does, and sponsor of the show, and of course my co-host, so all that disclosure, etc. So this is the super sanding block, or the super stand. Let me try and get that right. A lot of S's in there. This is basically a 3D printed stand for your super sanding blocks to allow you to nice and neatly keep them organized. So easily done for your builds. So as you can see, I've loaded this up with all of Anthony's blocks, and you can see easily available. If you want a block, very easy to take out, and then when you're ready, you just put it back. So very cool. So I'm going to show you some details. I'm just going to take all the blocks out. As I said, this is 3D printed. It's a very good hard material. Sean's also put his logo and Anthony's logo in. And this is a special green color that you can only get from Goodman Models itself. But you can order the stand from Sean as well from his Facebook page for $10 Canadian plus shipping, or $8 US plus shipping. And it comes in several other colors, but you can also order custom colors if you want. But as you can see, very solid. 3D printed, very stable. It's not going to move around or tip or anything like that. So a very, very nice product. And as I say, to put your sanding blocks in, it's just a matter of stacking them in whatever order you want. I'm putting them here in the order of the grits that Anthony's blocks come in. But yeah, nice and straight and simple, and one of those things you go, how come I didn't think about that? Anthony likes to say, actually, I did have a hand in it. I was suggesting to Anthony that he made a stand. But yeah, it turned out really, really well. Sean came up with this design, and absolutely fabulous. So do check it out. It will be available from Goodman Models and also from Sean's Custom Model Tools. I'm recording this in mid to late February 2020, and both Anthony and Sean will be vending at Heritage Con. Anthony will be at the Flexifile booth with his sanding blocks, showing those off, and Sean will be at a separate stand with both these and some other 3D goodies that you can check out. So check this out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the podcast, and you can also check out more details at the podcast page at scalemodelpodcast.com. Thank you again.